Hi guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to make money online with Zoombucks. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. Let's begin with opening our web browser and just simply search for zoombox.com, and this is how the website would look like. This actually is a rewards platform that allows you to earn money by completing various online activities. And to make money with Zoombox, you can participate in surveys, completing offers and tasks, watch videos, play games, and refer friends. So here is how it works. First is you want engagement. You need to get advertisers, want engagement for their surveys and services. Second is that they will recruit members so that they get paid for completing various action, and once done they will be paid once the action has been done here on Zoombucks. So here are the cash out rewards. Whether you want it monetary or you want it a gift card, you can have an iTunes gift card, Google Play points, Walmart gift card, Netflix gift card, Xbox gift cards, and a lot more. And you also can see here that these are the live feeds. These are the current platforms or current activities or offers that you can see that is currently being worked on and is currently earning with using Zoombox. So for us to create an account here, we can actually use our Facebook account or Google, or you can simply fill out the informations so that you can start joining for free. So when you go and click on join, you'll be filling out all these details. And once everything has been filled out, you will be routed into your homepage or the dashboard, where this is where you can track and preview your progress on how much points you've earned using this platform. So here we're currently on surveys. This is your tracking part, or this is where you'll be able to track your progress on how far are you from reaching your goal. So these are basically the informations that you will see. You'll be able to look into the featured offers as well. When you hover into the offer, it actually will provide you a brief description on what the offer details is, so you can click on more info or you can start doing the offer that they provide you. It also indicates here how much you'll earn once you've reached a certain number of points. So it's either you can play a game or you will answer a survey. It actually will provide you that details or information before you start. And aside from that, aside from the offers, it actually has another category here where you can earn by answering surveys. So there are different platforms like Scentwell, Survey Wall, you have the BitLabs, InBrain.ai, and here is as well the offer walls. These are the different offers that you can take advantage as well, like Lootability, AdGate Media, Revenue Universe, and similar to the homepage earlier, this also shows the live feeds of the different platforms or the different categories that Zoombox offer for you to earn money. So here on the left side panel of the screen, this is how you will navigate your work here. This is where you can look into the quick links, like what are your rewards. You can actually use Roblox, you have PayPal, you have Stream Wallet, depending on how you'd like to receive your earnings, and depending on what are your preference as well. And here as well on the left side panel of the screen, you'll see the earn points category, where if you want to go to a certain part of Zoombucks that they offer, you can simply just click on surveys. If you want to do surveys, you can do watch as well if you want to watch videos and get paid, or if you want to do offers as well. So here, when you click on watch, there are two offers that are currently provided here. So you either have hideout or the the other option here, where it actually has 5 points for 3 videos with ads that you have watched. That's for the other option here. Well, for hideout or lootability, so for hideout it actually offers higher, since for 3 videos you will earn 7 points. So what you can do is you can click the certain offer and then you can just click on next. It will actually reroute you to another page or another website for you to be able to start watching videos on Hideout TV, and in that way you will be able to create your account from there and you will start earning with watching the videos. Here, so you can just simply click on play and then just wait for it to load up. So you can look into the other videos as well that are. And the good thing here with Zoombucks, it actually includes the opportunity to earn extra money by participating in a variety of online activities. So this platform offers a flexible way to make money from the comfort of your own home, allowing you to choose activities that suits your interest and availability. Additionally, Zoombox actually provides a range of reward options, including cash, gift cards, and a lot more. And that's basically it. Once you have fill out all the features, or once you start answering surveys, watching videos, or accepting the offers, you can now make money online using Zoombox. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.